I'm Sahar, I'm Lebanese. So on the map, I come from here. And on this map, each dot represents a student who has been in the lab or who's currently in the lab. And you can see that it's pretty widespread. And I have a degree in electrical engineering from Université Saint-Joseph in Beirut, and a PhD in robotics from Université Pierre et Marie Curie. And I'm currently a postdoc at the Learning Algorithms and Systems Laboratory at EPFL. What I enjoy about robotics is the multidisciplinarity of the field itself, because it involves several disciplines. We want robots to interact with the human environment and to interact with us. And for that, we need to tackle several questions, such as the design of the robot, what the robot should look like. And for that, we need skills in mechanical engineering. And we need to have skills as well in electronics, because we need to equip robots with sensors and microcontrollers. And we need to have skills in computer science in order to program robots. And of course, we need as well to have a knowledge about neuroscience, psychology, biology, in order to understand the human behavior, so we could transfer this knowledge to robots. So it's a very multidisciplinary field. So why did I choose robotics? I guess robotics found me in some way. At the beginning, I wanted to do a PhD, and for that, back then, I needed to do a master's after my engineering studies. And for that, when I was talking to the head of the master's program, he was telling me about the different masters they have. And when he started talking about the robotics program, he was very enthusiastic about it. And I guess that his enthusiasm was very communicative. So I was very curious about the field, and that's how I ended up in robotics. In order to study robotics, the skills, you need basic engineering skills, at least what we do here in the lab. You need good math skills and good programming skills, and you're good to go. As for the personal qualities that you need, is you need to be patient, and this is for whatever field of research. You need to be curious about knowledge, and yes, I guess that's it. You need to be curious, patient, and you're fine. My advice for those who would like to study robotics is to go around, visit the robotics labs around you, talk to the researchers who are working in the field, ask them all the questions you have in mind, and make sure, well, this applies to every field of research, but if we want to talk about robotics in particular, I would suggest them to make sure that they are passionate about working with the hardware, even when it breaks. They need to be passionate about playing with this hardware, playing with the robots. And good luck.